This path of earning hasanat is not easy. No one is claiming that. No one is saying that if you start becoming on the path of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, it's going to be easy. Rather, Allah has told us that you will be tested. And this test will help you detach from the physical world and the physical relationships and connect your soul to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, towards the love of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and to long for meeting Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and to go towards Jannah. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, أَحَسِبَ النَّاسُ أَن يُتْرَكُوا أَن يَقُولُوا آمَنَّا وَهُمْ لَا يُفْتَنُونَ. Do the people think that they will say that we believe and they will be left alone? And they will not be tried? So that's not the path of it, right? You will be tried, you will be tested. That what is more beloved to you? Is Allah the most beloved to you? Or these physical connection and attachment to the dunya more beloved to you?